Today I thought I would put some flowers together because I have family staying this weekend, and I brought stuff home from the store, but I also brought stuff from a friend who has the most beautiful flower farm and these foxgloves. So I picked a taller vase to design in. Actually, this is for truffle, a dessert. So I just said, you know, I'm going to use it. So I went out and foraged some really beautiful foliage, and I'm going to just keep it super whimsical and really, I wouldn't say structured. It's just going to have a lot of movement. And these are actually from my lilac bush that's already bloomed. And we're going to add some of these just kind of elongated, and there's no really rhyme or reason. This is my Wigelia plant, and you can see there's actually one little bud still left. And these are things I grow in my garden because I know I love to put them in my floral design. So yes, I'm one of those floral designers who actually put things in my garden that I know I can bring to the shop. Yeah, I always comment that I'm one of those floral designers that's not frustrated, but just wants different types of textures and things in my arrangements. And I'm known to go into my garden and rate it when we have a big wedding or event. So this is getting quite big, but I love the movement of the greenery I just added. So I have some bridal spirea. It was flowering, but now it's not. So I actually still use the green. And I'm kind of putting things off to the side so it flows out. And that way, when I put these gorgeous foxgloves in, they'll have the movement. So we're gonna place her in. We're gonna do a few stems over here. And this may surprise you, but I actually love to use butterfly bush. This has a purple patina to it, but look at the movement. I just think they're so sweet. And add that little je ne sais quoi. We'll add a few of these. Okay, so never have enough of these foxgloves. So we're gonna just keep adding. These are a butterfly snapdragon, also grown by my friend Elizabeth, and she owns a flower farm not too far from our shop. We get a lot of our locally grown flowers from her and from my garden, of course, as well. So we try to actually grow different things so we're not competing against one another, and her blooms are just stunning. I picked these this morning because I wanted some color in the arrangement, so I went and got different shades of these purple and kind of lavender tone. And look at this pink one, so incredibly stunning. And I love the different colors, so I might put a few here. Now I have some foxgloves, I have my hydrangea, so I am really filling it in with the bulk. And now we'll add a few other things. I might snip this. This looks just a little. I also love to decorate with herbs. This is a purple sage, and it smells so good, and I think these would just play off nicely with the hydrangea. They're so cute. And like I said, don't be afraid to use different types of greenery and foliage in your arrangements. It gives it all that texture, and it really does bring a lot of really, really pretty scent. I'm actually growing some beautiful phlox in my garden, so we're gonna add this, and I went with a more pink and lavender and purple for this arrangement, so keeping it really soft and not too bold. I had one clematis left at my shop, so I brought her home, and she's gonna be like the little star of the show. Also in my garden, I'm growing these adorable zinnias. Forgot the name, but if I get it, I will definitely share it with you. And we can tuck, I think these poking out will just add a little bit of fun little element to it. So I'll add a few of these. Arrangement's getting bigger than me. I'm probably using like 5 of these, so I'll put a few here in the back. I had a few extra garden roses. Then I'm going to add these in. And they're in the blushiest, blushiest pink, which I thought, wouldn't it be nice with this palette? So I might tuck her down just like a little bit more and place nicely off this little hydrangea. I have a few more stems of these zinnias, so we'll add some over here. And I'm pretty much running out of flowers, but I think this is really so wonderful to like mix things from the store, things from my garden for a gorgeous summer bouquet. Have a great day.